Genuine cat parts, they're just the way to go. Unlike the aftermarket, they're more reliable and durable, and they'll last a lot longer.
Well, I'm a firm believer in if it's a cat engine, you replace that engine with cat parts. There's no question as far as the fit, as far as quality of the product, and the company that stands behind that product.
It's just a customer peace of mind knowing if you put a quality cat part in, there's going to be somebody standing behind that part, and that's huge to a lot of my customers.
I'm a believer in cat parts.
We have customers that will only want Caterpillar parts.
I think it makes a big deal. We've had several times where we get a reman from, aftermarket, and they just don't seem like they hold up, unlike Caterpillars.
There are aftermarket choices, but they want the Caterpillar parts. They're the best.